Missing someone.
Hello my loves, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making fish curry and we are serving with the spaghetti. Yes, spaghetti. So the ingredients, I'm going to use 1 tomato, I'm going to use an onion, 1 clove garlic, I'm going to use lemon, and then for the other ingredients I'm going to use cumin. Cumin is really good with fish. I'm going to use gharam masala, black pepper, and then I'm going to add turmeric for a little bit of color, and then finally Royco cube. So we're going to start with the spaghetti. We're going to prepare that, get it out of the way, then we go ahead and prepare our fish. This is how much spaghetti I'm going to make, and I'm going to add just water because the fish is going to have all the spices. As the spaghetti boils, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the ingredients for the fish. We're going to start with onions. The spaghetti is done, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with cold water so that it practices social distancing. Our fish is free. We're going to add oil and of course the onions. Then we're going to let them sweat for a little bit. Then we're going to add in garlic. Why we are adding garlic later? It's because garlic cooks faster than onions, so we have to add them later so that they can cook together well. Okay. After they are golden brown, we are going to add in our mashed tomatoes. These are our mashed tomatoes. You can grind them, you can blend them, whatever it's going to make it mashed. Cover it and let it simmer for like 2 minutes. As it simmers, we are going to prepare the other ingredients. So in a cup, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add more depending on how much pepper you like. We are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. All these ingredients depends on the size of the fish. My fish is small, so that's why. And then I'm going to also add a 1/4 teaspoon of gharam masala and then 1/2 teaspoon of cumin because cumin tastes really good in fish. I'm now going to add in a little bit of water. Then I'm going to squeeze in at least 1/2 teaspoon of lemon into the cup. Now I think our tomatoes are ready, so I'm just going to pour all the ingredients in the cup there. I'm now going to stir it, add in water, and then I'm going to put in my Royco cube. Remember, Royco cube has some salt, so you need to put in your Royco cube first. Let them simmer. Taste. If the salt is not enough, you're going to add in some salt. Otherwise, if you put Royco cube and salt together without tasting, you're going to have a very salty dish. Look at that. Look at how that fish looks. I'm telling you, this fish was delicious. The black pepper, the garlic, the lemon, the gharam masala, the cumin, the way they came together in unity just to bless my taste buds. I'm telling you, this was delicious. Very, very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember, don't add a river into the fish. Just add enough water for your ugali, enough water for your spaghetti. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.